Good morning, children. In this video, we will solve our worksheet of chapter 3 More on MS Word. The first question is fill in the blanks, and you are also given some hints to solve these worksheets. So the first one is lines, basic shapes, block arrows are the options of dash button. Where you can see them? You can find them in shapes. Okay, children. Now the second, the dash feature is used to create special text effect. We use word art for special text effect. You can see I have given you hints. Now, a dash is a small graphic symbol that indicates items in a list. What indicates a small graphic symbol that indicates item in a list? Bullets, shapes, borders, word art or period? Yes, it is bullet. Now the fourth one, to start a number list, type 1, a. What will come? Period. Now the last, the dash button enables you to turn borders on or off. Yes, it is borders button. Now, let's come to true or false. You can insert text you cannot insert text in a shape. No, you can insert text in a shape. We have already tried this. The page borders button is present on the page layout tab. Yes, this is true. We can apply bullets to a text document by selecting the bullet button. This is false. Sorry, I typed wrongly. None turns off all borders. Yes, it turns off all borders. In the word art gallery, the letter B represents the different designs that are applied to all text you type. No, the letter A represents. So this is false. Now some real life example, application based question. Arushi wants to write a poem on rain in the Word document. She wants to apply the decorative text effect to every single line. Suggest her how she can apply the special effect on text. How we apply special effect? We use word art. We use word art. Now the next, Ritika has designed a colorful birthday card. The teacher has advised her to apply border effect on the card. Suggest her which button she should use. To apply border, which button she will use? She will use borders. Page borders. She will use page borders. Now, multiple choice question. You need to choose the correct option out of the given option. When you insert a shape in a document, a new tab named dash appears under the drawing tool. Which tab comes? Home is already there. Insert is already there. Try this. You will get one new option, that is format tab. The word art button is present on which tab? Home or insert? From where you insert the word art? From insert tab. Dash click the shape border and select format shape. We click right. Now the fourth one, dash click the shape and add the text or edit text. Yes, also right click. Now the next, dash enable you to select and format each side individually. Border key, whenever we want to insert different side, which thing we can use? We can use custom. Now what is the use of word art feature? Where you can use the word art feature? Generally when you want to write text in attractive manner. So what we will write? Word art is a quick way to make text stand out with special effects. Now the difference between bulleted and number list. I have written this. I have searched from internet for you in easy language. Bulleted list are lists that do not have any order, and number list or letters that are having specific order, certain order. Okay. Now bulleted list can be defined as the list where no numerical are there before the list points, but in place of numerical, simple dots are present. Numbered list can be said or defined as the list where numerical comes before the list point. Okay. Now the next question, what happens if you rotate or flip a shape filled with text? What will happen if I rotate the shape filled with text? The text will also flip. If, let's write its answer. If we rotate or flips a shape filled with text, the text will also rotate. Now, what is the purpose of shadow and 3D options? Let's open your handouts. You will get this answer there. I have opened your handouts. Let's check there. It is here, shadow and 3D. Shadow and 3D. Shadow means places an outside border and places a shadow effect along the bottom and right side. 3D places an outside border with the 3D effect in theory anyway. Why to format text to fit in a shape? Why to format? See bicche, this is also given in your handouts. Let's check here. Why to format shape? Word also includes a number of formatting features specific to text inside a shape that help you ensure a good fit and a nice look. Why do we do this? To make a text with nice look. Okay children, watch the video and solve your worksheet. Bye bye. Take care.